What is up, my dudes? Littleherd Unboxing here, and today I have another Pokemon unboxing thing. I went to a card shop in the city on Saturday, $5.50 each, so I got three, $16.50, just so you know. They only had one Fates Collide left in their stock for another month, so I got the last one of those and two breakthroughs. As you can see, it's two XY breakthroughs, wrong way, and one Fates Collide. Comment in this video if you know what that Pokemon is, because I can't guess it. Who's that Pokemon? I'm asking you. Okay, it's for a good cause, so I know more about Pokemon. I hope that dab was good. I have to watch the video to see if it was good. Alright, so let's start with the Fates Collide. Unbox this. I've only got 45 minutes now left on my laptop in terms of charge. Now, I'm not going to do the card thing this time because I just can't be bothered. But what I am going to do, I'm going to take the code card out so I can use that on the website tonight. Alright, so we have a Cottonee. I see something shiny. I'm not even going to look at it. It's Cottonee. It's the same one that I have. Solasis, again, the same one that I have. There's 3 in a row that I actually already have. I've got a Vullaby as well. Oh, come on! Well, my Vullaby's reverse. Sorry, I just shook a little bit. I've learnt my lesson. Don't put the cards on the mouse pad because then you can't move it. Coughing. That. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, what am I? Okay, got a Minccino. Oh! Dang! I don't know whether that's hollow or not. Oh my gosh. I think it is hollow. Uh-oh. What's that? Cancel that. Please. Come on. Yes! Sorry if that came up in the camera. Probably didn't, but you know. Next we got a Delphox. God, that looks epic! I haven't got many fire types either. I've got 6. Possibly 7, I can't remember. Oh, Bronzong. Evolves from Bronzor. I've got double of Bronzor. And I've got a Bronzong break as well. Wigglytuff! I saw a Spirit Link, the wrong one. Oh! Looking for a Gallade Spirit Link. Alright, so we've got Wigglytuff. Evolves from Jigglypuff. I love that name. Because I am a Jigglypuff. And I'm going to the Royal Show tomorrow! I'll be doing a video presenting the Pokemon and Star Wars bag. It won't be very good because I have to rush it because I can only record videos that are 13 minutes long. It's really annoying. Okay. Audino Spirit Link. I didn't know Audino came in an EX. Another item. Random receiver. It's got Sycamore on it. You get a Pokemon from him in Pokemon X. Windows 10 noise. Again. Cool. That's the Fates Collide pack, and we pulled something that's possibly hollow. I have to ask Malachi X tomorrow. Shout out to Malachi X for encouraging me to upload and clapping and getting told off when I hit 11 subscribers. I was keeping it on my channel for like 5 minutes. I just hit 11. What is going on right now? And guys just like, oh, he's clapping, and then Miss Bing's just like, what are you doing up there? It's like, oh, James just hit 11 subscribers. Just like, really? Just like, yeah. On what? His YouTube account. Oh, I don't know what that is, but get back to work. Top, you know. Yeah, that happened. And I think, yeah, Abby just walked in the room. Oh, come on! Open! Yay! Another water type. Come on! Another Piplup. Damn, Pokemon. Back at it again with the Piplup. Let's take out the code card. Obviously, this one looks different. saw an ad for Pokemon Sun and Moon. I'm actually really excited for when they come out. I'm going to get Sun first and complete that, and then I'm going to buy Moon. Well, I'm actually going to buy both of them. My friends, be jealous. Okay, so we've got Piplup, Magnemite, Noibat, Noibat, normal type. Haven't really got many of those. Routes. As always, comment if you know how to pronounce these things. Skiddo, she's riding that real good. Yeah, ride that. Ooh, we have a reverse, people. Empoleon. It's got 10 more health than my Arceus promo, but it has horrible attack. 70 from a Hydro Splash. Once again, relying on the camera to get my hair out of my face, so you can see this handsome piece. This handsome piece of awesomeness. Just a little bit. Alright, so get Empoleon. Alrighty, so we've got about 9 more minutes, about 10 more minutes. Oh, dang, that was good. Not the next card, this is just a normal type. So we got a Chatot. Right, energy, special energy. Oh, rainbow energy. This card provides normal energy while in pardon me. That is really good. That is pretty good. During your turn, it provides us any energy you want it to be. That's really helpful. Piloswine. Relibrand? Yeah, I'm like, okay. Looks like those things that Anakin rides, in, Odd Gazette. I can't remember what those things were, but they're like huge yaks with those exact same horns and giant pig noses. Except they were more on the ends of snouts. Covered in white fur. Oh, I've seen this in battle. I battled one before. Floette. It's a fairy type. Alright. Next pack that has Mewtwo on it. Promising. I love my squeaky bed. Another water type. Yay. Take out the code card. 3 bonus packs for the next video. Okay. Vanillite. He looks so cute. Look at it. Panpour. Another Ralts. What you do? Oh my god, this is so cute. Zora. Meowth! I finally have a Meowth! Yes! I'm coming on in. Cyndaquil? I already have that one. Oh! EX Full Art! Oh my gosh. Glalie. EX Full Art! Is it Full Art? It is. Rumigoosh. Now we've got Snorlax. Super. I have Scatterbug. Yeah, another evolution. And a trainer, supporter, Skylar. Alright. That was a pretty good pull, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Wow. That coffin's made me cough. Wow. So yeah, don't forget to comment like, subscribe, comment if you knew what this Pokemon was. Do comment. Tell me what type it is as well. And I will see all you guys in my next video. Goodbye.